Get some fresh aloe vera plants and cucumber. We're going to make a body moisturizing soap. If you are ready for this tutorial, I am super ready. Let's go! Properly wash and juice your cucumber and your aloe vera plant. You can do that by blending or grating and then you choose it. I'll be using the same volume measurement like the last soap, so if you haven't seen that tutorial yet, please go and check it out so that you will know the correct measurement for your moisturizing soap. The only difference with this one is that I'll be supplementing the water with some of the juice that we extracted, and I'll be using 3 different types of oil: palm kernel oil, palm oil and carrot oil. But don't forget, the measurement remains the same. Here are some of the goodness our skin will enjoy from the ingredients we used in making this soap. After juicing it, you can go ahead and freeze it and then use the ice cube to mix your lye. But in this video, I am not going to freeze mine. I will use it like that. After my lye solution cools down, I'm going to add it to that. It's not going to affect your soap quality in any way, just that it's going to give off this brownish looking soap, and some people don't find it aesthetically pleasing. But if you don't find anything wrong with a brown looking soap, then you are good to go. If you are still here and you haven't joined the family yet, please go ahead and just touch that subscribe button and join this DIY family. We are happy to have you here. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for all you do. Thank you for helping me grow this channel, and thank you for always coming back. Please always remember to put on your notification bell so that whenever I upload any DIY content, you'll be notified. So this is what our soap is looking like. I'm going to get a little portion from it and mix it with a little color just to add a little color to it, but overall the soap is okay looking like this. If you like your soap plain and brown like this, you can go ahead and pour it into the mold and you're done. But if not, if you want to get a little creative and let your imagination do the rest, you can pop in 1 or 2 colors and make some designs with it, or just swirl it. So you go ahead and leave that for some hours. I left mine for like 24 hours before unmolding it. And this is our soap with some soap ash on it. This won't affect the quality of your soap, but it will definitely affect the look of your soap. It's looking dull. It usually makes soap look dull, and definitely it won't look attractive. So you can go ahead and correct that by using a fabric steamer on it, or you spray it with a rubbing alcohol, and that will bring back the shine of your soap and definitely will give it an appealing look, because your designs on the soap will be popping. So we're going to leave the soap to cure properly before enjoying all of the benefits. Go ahead and watch my previous video on soap making to know when your soap is properly cured. See you.